Welcome back to CodeChef. Did you know that every value in your Java program has a literal representation? Today, we'll explore Java literals, the way you write numbers, characters, text, and special values directly in your code to represent data. Think of literals like labels on ingredients in a recipe. When you see 2 cups of flour or 1 teaspoon of salt, those numbers and measurements are fixed values you don't need to calculate. Similarly, literals are the fixed values you type directly into your program, like the number 42 or the word hello. In Java, a literal is a fixed value written directly in the code. Examples include integers like 10, floating point numbers like 3.14, characters like A, strings like Java rocks, and the special null literal indicating no value. Here's a simple Java example. Each value on the right side is a literal, a fixed, direct representation of data. When we run this program, the output will be quick facts about literals. Integer literals are written without quotes, like 100. Floating point literals use an F or F suffix, e.g. 3.14f. Character literals are enclosed in single quotes, e.g. Z. String literals are in double quotes, e.g. hello. The null literal indicates an empty reference. Now it's your turn. Try this beginner-friendly problem on CodeChef. Using literals. Write a program that declares variables using int, float, char, string, and null literals and prints their values. Today you learned literals are fixed values directly written in your code. Java supports int, float, char, string, and null literals. Use correct syntax. Quotes for chars and strings, F suffix for floats, and null for no value. Code, debug, repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.